I got a brake controller. It's about $50, and I figured since I bought a car trailer, I might as well get one. And also, if you get this brake controller, you're going to need this adapter, and you need to make sure you get the right adapter for your vehicle. Now this is real easy to install. Of course, you get your brake controller, and you get a bracket, some screws, so you can mount it to your dash or wherever you want to mount it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to mount this harness up under the dash. Alright guys, if you come up under your dash, on the left side of the brake pedal, you're going to see this box right here. And you're going to mount your connector right there in that second slot. After you got the connector connected up in there, you can take this wire and zip tie it up, or you can wait and mount the controller, then zip tie all your wires up. So now we need to find a place to mount our controller. So I think I'm going to mount mine probably right here in the middle, or somewhere in this area right through here. Now we're going to take the mounting bracket and we're going to mount it. And we're going to mount it up under the dash. If you got your mounting bracket where you want it, we now can install the controller. And now that you got your brake controller installed wherever you want it, now you can take your plug, just plug it into the connector. You can take you some zip ties or whatever you want to do. Just zip tie it up under the dash, keep it out of the way. Then on the side, you got a place to adjust your controller, and you can adjust that however you want to. Just really depends on what you're pulling and the weight of the trailer and just different things like that. So you can adjust that however you want to. Alright guys, so the brake controller is now installed.